To account for PayPal transactions in QuickBooks, follow these steps. Log into your QuickBooks account and navigate to the Banking or Transactions tab. Look for the account where you want to record your PayPal transactions, typically a bank or cash account. Click on the Add Account or Link Account button to connect your PayPal account to QuickBooks. Select PayPal as the account type and enter your PayPal account credentials to establish the connection. Once connected, QuickBooks will automatically import your PayPal transactions. Review the transactions and match them with the corresponding records in QuickBooks. Ensure that the income and expense accounts are properly categorized. If needed, you can create specific accounts for PayPal fees or other transaction types. Reconcile your PayPal transactions regularly to ensure accuracy. By properly recording your PayPal activity, you can maintain accurate financial records and streamline your bookkeeping processes. Make sure to like and subscribe if this video gave you valuable info. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.